Creating a head template is one of the most reliable ways to get a hair system that fits you perfectly. The template captures the exact shape of your hair loss area, which helps you cut the base of your system with precision and ensures the most natural fit. That said, making a template can feel a little tricky the first time. If you'd prefer a simpler option, you can also use the measuring method, and we'll explain how to cut the base with both methods in the upcoming lessons. And of course, if you'd rather skip both steps, you have the option to order a ready-to-wear system directly from SHP website, customized to your base size, haircut, and more, so it's prepared for you right out of the box. The process may look a little unusual at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you step by step. And once you've completed it, you'll have the most accurate template for your hair system. Here's what you'll need: Saran wrap, filament tape, a China marker or skin-safe marker, a permanent marker or a Sharpie, scissors, a mirror, ideally a 360 mirror or a friend to help. Now don't forget, you can find all these supplies right on our website or order the DIY kit for template making. Got everything ready? Let's start. All right, we're gonna start by pulling about 1 meter of Saran wrap and cutting it. And then you're gonna lift it up and put it over your head, just below the front hairline. Kind of let gravity take over as it falls over your head. All right, now to get this a little tighter on your forehead, you just wanna maybe grab it around your ear level, pull down there, and then from there you can come down and tie the bottom underneath your chin. All right, we're gonna start from the mark we made earlier, which we can see underneath the Saran wrap. I'll just put my finger there and mark it with the Sharpie. And then it's as simple as going around your hairline and marking it all the way around. All right, then once you're done marking your hairline, you're gonna wanna grab your tape. I'm gonna cut a piece about that long. And we're gonna start by taping at the top of my head. Now the important part here is you want the ends of the tape to go past the line that you marked. So after you put your first piece of tape on, you're gonna wanna keep covering your template area with more pieces of tape, of course, continuing horizontally and then moving to do it vertically. All right, once you're done attaching all the horizontal pieces of tape, you're gonna wanna keep attaching tape vertically across the entire length of the template. Start from the front in the middle. Again, you wanna go just below the marked line. And just like we did it horizontally, you keep going vertically until you fill the entire head. All right, now we are fully taped vertically and horizontally. Keep in mind that you might want to use 2 or 3 layers of tape depending on how thick your tape is. We're gonna go ahead and mark where the front is with a little dot, just so I don't forget. All right, once that's done, we're gonna take it off. We still have the mark I made for the front. We're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna mark the front just so I don't forget. The back. Now it's gonna be opposites, right? So we're gonna do the right side on the left here and the left side on the right. And once we're done that, we're gonna go ahead and grab the scissors and cut around the outline. And there you have it, your very own custom template. You can keep using this template over and over again as you order new hair systems, although keep in mind, if the area of thinning actually gets lower over time, you may have to make a new template. But if you do, you have this handy guide ready for you.